In a rapidly evolving technological landscape, the integration of artificial intelligence (AI) into business operations is becoming increasingly prevalent, with major companies leading the charge. Recently, ServiceNow, a prominent player in the IT service management domain, announced its acquisition of Logik.ai's state-of-the-art AI-powered configure price quote CPQ solution. This strategic move is set to significantly enhance ServiceNow's customer relationship management (CRM) offerings, providing businesses with advanced tools to streamline their sales processes and improve customer engagement. The acquisition, announced on April 3, 2025, underscores ServiceNow's commitment to leveraging AI for operational efficiency. By integrating Logik.ai's innovative CPQ solution, ServiceNow aims to empower organizations to automate and optimize their pricing and quoting processes. This acquisition aligns perfectly with our vision of transforming how organizations interact with their customers, said Bill McDermott, CEO of ServiceNow. With AI at the core of our CRM strategy, we are enabling our customers to make faster, data-driven decisions that enhance their competitive edge. The impact of this acquisition could be profound. The integration of AI-powered solutions not only promises to accelerate the quoting process but also to reduce errors, thereby improving overall customer satisfaction. As businesses increasingly seek to enhance their operational efficiencies, AI technologies like those offered by Logik.ai can provide a significant advantage in navigating complex pricing scenarios and tailoring solutions to meet customer needs. Meanwhile, another tech giant, Procter Gamble P&G, is exploring the transformative power of AI within its own operations. P&G recently unveiled the results of a collaborative study with Harvard Business School and the Wharton School, which highlighted the positive effects of AI on teamwork and innovation. The research revealed that teams incorporating AI in their brainstorming sessions were approximately 12% faster in generating solutions. AI is not just a tool, it's becoming an integral part of our innovation process, remarked Victor Aguilar, P&G's Chief R&D and Innovation Officer. By collaborating with AI, we are unlocking new ideas and accelerating our speed to market. The study also found that AI facilitates better collaboration across various departments, helping to break down silos and allowing for shared expertise. In a world where diverse perspectives are crucial for innovation, AI acts as a bridge, ensuring that different teams can contribute effectively to the problem-solving process. Moreover, AI's positive influence on employee morale cannot be overlooked. The findings indicated that interactions with AI systems led to improved emotional responses among employees, ultimately enhancing the workplace experience. As organizations like ServiceNow and P&G embrace AI, the landscape of business operations is undergoing a significant transformation. However, the journey is not without challenges. For instance, Bloomberg News, in its attempt to incorporate AI-generated summaries into its journalism, has faced several hurdles. The financial news outlet has issued numerous corrections to its AI-generated content due to inaccuracies, highlighting the ongoing struggle to balance automation with editorial integrity. Despite these challenges, Bloomberg's commitment to refining its AI systems showcases the media industry's broader trend of integrating technology into reporting processes. Looking ahead, the implications of these developments are profound. As AI continues to evolve, its role in enhancing productivity and driving innovation will likely expand. Companies that successfully integrate AI into their operations will not only streamline processes but also foster a culture of collaboration and creativity. This shift could redefine competitive dynamics across industries, emphasizing the need for businesses to stay ahead of the curve and adapting to these groundbreaking technologies. The future promises a landscape where AI is not merely an auxiliary tool but a vital partner in the quest for operational excellence and innovation. And a significant shift within the artificial intelligence landscape. Meta's head of AI research has announced their departure from the company, stirring speculation about the future direction of the tech giant's AI initiatives. This pivotal change comes at a time when Meta has been intensifying its focus on integrating AI technologies across its platforms, striving to enhance user experience and engagement. The departure raises questions about leadership continuity and the strategic vision for AI development at Meta, particularly as the company grapples with fierce competition in the innovation space. In parallel, the retail sector is experiencing a remarkable transformation driven by advancements in virtual reality (VR) technology. According to a recent report from SNS Insider, the virtual reality and retail market is projected to surge from $3.33 billion in 2023 to an impressive $26.28 billion by 2032, achieving a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 26.2%. This growth is primarily fueled by the increasing demand for immersive shopping experiences as consumers seek innovative ways to engage with brands and products. The report highlights that VR is revolutionizing consumer brand interactions by enabling retailers to create virtual showrooms, enhance product visualization, and personalize the shopping journey. As e-commerce and physical stores alike embrace VR technology, they aim to bridge the gap between online and in-store shopping experiences. Notably, advancements in AI, augmented reality (AR), and haptic feedback are contributing to this evolution, making virtual shopping more engaging and reducing return rates. Prominent market players are investing heavily in VR solutions, with companies like Visualize Creative Limited and Matterport Incorporated leading the charge in providing immersive retail experiences. The report details that the VR market is particularly gaining traction in sectors such as fashion, home decor, and automotive, where consumers benefit from 360-degree product views and virtual fitting rooms. However, despite the promising growth, challenges such as high implementation costs and limited consumer awareness remain hurdles for widespread adoption. In a related technological advancement, researchers at Northwestern University have unveiled a groundbreaking wearable device that simulates realistic touch sensations through advanced haptic feedback. Traditionally, haptic technologies have been limited to basic vibrations. But this new device can replicate a wide range of tactile sensations, including pressure, stretching, and twisting. The compact wireless technology is designed to enhance experiences in virtual environments, assist those with visual impairments, and even allow online shoppers to feel textures through their screens. John A. Rogers, the lead designer of the device, emphasized the potential applications of this technology, stating, "We wanted to create a device that could apply forces in any direction, not just poking but pushing, twisting, and sliding." This innovation represents a significant leap forward in how users can interact with digital content, potentially transforming sectors ranging from retail to healthcare. As these advancements unfold, the intersection of AI, VR, and haptic technologies is poised to redefine consumer experiences in profound ways. Meta's leadership change may prompt a re-evaluation of its AI strategies. While the growing VR market signals a shift toward more immersive retail environments, the emergence of sophisticated haptic devices further complements this trend, providing a tangible connection between physical and digital realms. Looking ahead, the tech industry will continue to watch closely as these developments unfold, anticipating how they will shape the future of consumer engagement and the competitive landscape in both the retail and technology sectors. Meta Platforms is gearing up to launch an exciting new iteration of its smart glasses codenamed Hypernova, which promises to elevate the user experience significantly beyond its current offerings. Expected to retail between $1,000 and $1,400, these glasses will feature a display integrated into the lens, hand gesture controls, and a dedicated camera app, marking a significant advancement in augmented reality technology. According to a report from Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, the Hypernova glasses will be Meta's first to include a screen, allowing users to view photos, apps, and even maps directly in their line of sight. This innovation comes in response to the growing demand for augmented reality devices as a potential alternative to traditional smartphones. The current iteration of Meta's glasses, the Ray-Ban Meta, priced at $299, has already enjoyed surprising success, with sales surpassing 1 million units within 2 years. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg noted that demand is still outpacing our ability to build them, indicating a strong market interest for enhanced features. The decision to develop Hypernova appears to be a strategic move to capitalize on this popularity, with Meta anticipating that the allure of advanced features will encourage users to upgrade to the more premium model. The new glasses are set to include a camera with specifications that aim to rival that of the iPhone 13. A significant upgrade from the 12-megapixel camera found in the current Ray-Ban Meta glasses, which has been described as comparable to the iPhone 11. Beyond the upgraded camera, Hypernova will introduce a neural wristband that allows users to navigate the interface through hand gestures. This feature aims to simplify interactions, making it easier for users to manage their apps without needing to rely heavily on voice commands or physical buttons. The wristband's functionality is based on surface electromyography (SEMG), enabling it to interpret gestures such as pinching fingers together or scrolling with a thumb, thus providing a more intuitive user experience. The glasses are expected to launch by the end of 2025, potentially coinciding with Meta's annual Connect conference in September. However, Hypernova is just one piece of Meta's broader vision for the future of smart eyewear. In addition to the upcoming model, the company is already developing Hypernova 2, an advanced version scheduled for release in 2027, which is rumored to feature dual displays for both eyes. As Meta looks to solidify its position in the competitive smart glasses market, it faces challenges not only from established competitors like Apple and Samsung but also from emerging players. Apple is reportedly exploring its own versions of smart glasses, while Samsung is rumored to be developing glasses with integrated displays and speakers set to be unveiled later this year. This competitive landscape underscores the urgency for Meta to deliver on its promises and refine its product offerings. The Hypernova glasses represent a pivotal step towards Meta's ambition of redefining the way users interact with technology in their daily lives. As the company aims to transition society into a post-smartphone era, the evolution of its smart glasses will be closely watched by consumers and tech enthusiasts alike. The success of Hypernova could not only enhance the user experience but also reshape the future trajectory of wearable technology. With the market evolving rapidly, the next few years will be crucial for Meta as it navigates the challenges and opportunities ahead in the augmented reality space. In a significant move that intertwines the realms of social media and artificial intelligence, Elon Musk's XAI has acquired the social media platform X, formerly known as Twitter, for a staggering $33 billion. This all-stock transaction, which values X at approximately $45 billion before accounting for $12 billion in debt, is set to enhance the capabilities of XAI's AI assistant Grok, allowing for more efficient training and development. The acquisition is particularly beneficial for Gulf investors, as many of them have a vested interest in both X and XAI. Among the notable investors in X are Saudi Arabia's Kingdom Holding, which contributed nearly $2 billion to the platform's 2022 private acquisition, and the Qatar Investment Authority, which invested $375 million. This merger is seen as a rewarding opportunity for these Gulf investors, as it not only increases the value of their investments but also grants them access to an advanced AI platform poised to compete with industry leaders like ChatGPT. Fabrizio Carpanini, a corporate partner at Dorsey, noted the deal rewards Musk's co-investors in the 2022 take private with a slice of a bigger pie and access to an AI platform that is being developed to compete with other market leaders in the same space. The acquisition promises to deepen the involvement of these investors in Musk's broader business ecosystem, which spans various sectors, from AI to social media. Winston Ma, an adjunct professor at NYU School of Law, remarked that this merger may herald a new era of synergy across Musk's holdings, suggesting that the integration of AI models and media data could yield rapid growth and innovation. However, this transaction is not without its challenges. The financial performance of X has been tumultuous under Musk's leadership, with estimates suggesting a drop in value by 70% post-acquisition. Ahmad Shadid, an entrepreneur and founder of AI company O.XYZ, cautioned that the $45 billion valuation may reflect strategic priorities rather than current market realities. He stated X's financial performance has faced challenges including significant advertiser losses and a strategic shift toward subscription models. Musk's assertion that X has over 600 million active users further complicates the narrative, as he claims the merger will unlock significant potential by merging XAI's advanced capabilities with X's vast reach. The combined entity aims to provide smarter and more meaningful experiences adhering to Musk's vision for advancing knowledge and truth. As excitement builds around this acquisition, it also raises pertinent questions regarding the future landscape of AI and social media. The integration of AI technologies into social platforms could revolutionize user interactions and content generation, but it also poses ethical concerns regarding data privacy and the implications for creative industries. As this merger unfolds, industry observers will closely monitor how Musk navigates these complexities and whether Gulf investors will indeed reap the benefits of their strategic alignment with XAI. Looking ahead, the merger of XAI and X is likely to set a new precedent in the tech industry, potentially reshaping the dynamics of both social media and artificial intelligence. The continued development of Grok and its capabilities will be pivotal in determining whether this ambitious venture can fulfill its lofty promises and how it will influence the competitive landscape moving forward. Elon Musk's recent ventures have once again captured the spotlight with two significant developments that could reshape the landscape of artificial intelligence and government efficiency. As Musk continues to push the boundaries of technology, discussions around his initiatives raise both excitement and concern regarding their implications for society. In a landmark move, Musk's artificial intelligence company XAI has acquired X, the social media platform formerly known as Twitter, in a staggering $45 billion all-stock deal. This acquisition promises to enhance the capabilities of XAI's AI assistant Grok by leveraging X's vast user base and data. Analysts note that the merger could streamline AI training processes and provide investors with a more substantial stake in Musk's expanding ecosystem. The deal rewards Musk's co-investors in the 2022 take-private with a slice of a bigger pie, commented Fabrizio Carpanini, a corporate partner at Dorsey Law Firm, highlighting the strategic advantages of the acquisition. However, the acquisition comes on the heels of a tumultuous journey for X, which saw its value plummet by approximately 70% since Musk's initial purchase in 2022. Critics like Ahmad Shadid argue that the newly assigned value of $45 billion reflects a strategic shift rather than a genuine reflection of market performance. X's financial challenges under Musk's leadership raise questions about the sustainability of this valuation, Shadid stated, pointing to significant advertising losses and a pivot towards subscription models as key factors influencing perceptions of the platform's financial health. Simultaneously, Musk is championing another ambitious project, the Department of Government Efficiency (DOGE), which aims to revolutionize how the U.S. government operates by utilizing AI and blockchain technologies. This initiative proposes using AI to analyze and evaluate federal jobs with the potential goal of reducing the workforce size significantly from current levels to a target of around 75%. The idea has sparked heated discussions about the role of AI in determining job necessity and efficiency within government operations. The DOGE initiative seeks to optimize various government processes, including budgeting and resource management, by implementing AI to identify redundancies and inefficiencies. Dr. Asad Abbas, who analyzed the initiative, noted that while AI could streamline operations, the ethical implications of such decisions must be carefully considered. The use of AI in determining job cuts raises concerns about bias, transparency, and the human cost of automation, he warned. As the initiative unfolds, Musk's plans to integrate blockchain technology into government operations could provide greater transparency and accountability. However, the reliance on AI for such critical decisions poses significant challenges. Critics argue that while AI can enhance operational efficiency, it lacks the emotional intelligence required to navigate the complexities of workforce management. The potential for bias in AI algorithms could further exacerbate existing inequalities within the public sector.
Both initiatives reflect Musk's broader vision of harnessing technology to drive efficiency and innovation. However, they also underscore the need for a balanced approach that considers the human impact of such drastic changes. As the world watches these developments, the implications for the future of work, both in the private sector and government, remain profound and uncertain. In conclusion, as Musk's XAI merges with X and the Doge initiative seeks to transform governmental operations, the intersection of technology and public service raises critical questions about efficiency, ethics, and the future of employment. The coming months will be crucial in determining how these ambitious proposals will be implemented and what safeguards can be put in place to mitigate potential risks. As society grapples with these challenges, the dialogue surrounding the role of AI in our lives will undoubtedly intensify, shaping the contours of a future where technology and humanity must find a way to coexist harmoniously. In a fascinating intersection of technology and dating, Tinder has recently unveiled a feature dubbed the Game, which employs OpenAI's advanced chatbot technology to help users hone their flirting skills. This initiative comes at a time when people are increasingly seeking assistance in navigating the complexities of modern romance, making it a timely and innovative solution. Accessible for a limited time to U.S. users, the Game allows participants to engage with a realistic AI-driven flirt bot that simulates various romantic scenarios. The bot not only responds to users' inputs but also assesses their performance, assigning scores based on a 3-flame tier system and offering constructive feedback on how to improve their conversational skills. According to Tinder's VP of Product Growth and Revenue, Hillary Payne, the feature aims to enhance users' confidence in real-life interactions rather than serve as a strict guide for flirting. Human connection is messy and nuanced, Payne noted. The Game is more about helping people feel comfortable expressing themselves than delivering a formula for success. In a recent trial of the feature, users can find themselves navigating through quirky scenarios such as engaging in conversation with a fictional librarian named Emma over crab cakes in a food truck line. The chatbot's responses can feel surprisingly realistic, with its ability to adapt to users' conversational styles and even provide feedback on their performance. After a few attempts, the experience can become both amusing and enlightening, culminating in a ranking that reflects the user's flirting prowess. However, beneath the fun and games lies a more profound conversation about the role of AI in human interaction. The eerily authentic responses from the flirt bot raise questions about the implications of AI in our daily lives, particularly in the realm of personal relationships. While some users may find it a helpful tool for building confidence, others might feel uneasy about the level of realism and interactions with AI, blurring the lines between human and machine connection. The launch of the Game coincides with a broader trend in the tech industry where AI continues to expand its reach from casual dating to significant corporate investments. OpenAI recently secured a historic $40 billion funding round led by SoftBank, elevating the company's valuation to an astounding $300 billion. This funding is primarily aimed at enhancing OpenAI's research capabilities and scaling its computational infrastructure. The investment underscores the growing demand for advanced AI technologies across various sectors, but it also highlights a potential slowdown in investor confidence as market dynamics shift. As OpenAI navigates this complex landscape, it faces pressures to restructure its business model to align with investor expectations, particularly concerning its for-profit ambitions. This restructuring could lead to significant changes in how AI companies operate and how they are perceived in the public eye. As the dating landscape and AI technology evolve, tools like the Game may redefine how individuals approach romance, blending the lines between digital and real-world interactions. Looking ahead, it will be intriguing to see how users integrate these AI-driven experiences into their personal lives and how the industry responds to the accompanying ethical considerations. The intersection of technology and human connection is only expected to grow more intricate, posing both exciting opportunities and challenging dilemmas for users and developers alike. In a groundbreaking achievement for artificial intelligence, DeepMind's latest program named Dreamer
has succeeded in mastering the complex task of collecting diamonds in the popular video game Minecraft, all without prior instruction. This development, published in a study in Nature, illustrates a significant leap forward in AI capabilities, marking a step toward machines that can generalize knowledge across various domains, a foundational goal in the pursuit of artificial general intelligence (AGI). Minecraft, a game with over 100 million monthly active users, presents players with a virtually limitless environment filled with diverse terrains and resources. Within this expansive 3D world, collecting diamonds is particularly challenging. It requires players to navigate a series of intricate tasks, from gathering wood to crafting essential tools. Danijar Hafner, a computer scientist at DeepMind, emphasizes that the game's randomized environments compel an AI to fully understand its surroundings rather than rely on rote memorization of strategies. No two experiences are the same, Hafner explains, highlighting the necessity for the AI to adapt and learn in real time. The complexity of diamond collection is compounded by the necessity of completing numerous prerequisite actions. As Hafner outlines, players must first gather wood from trees to construct a crafting table, which is essential for creating a wooden pickaxe capable of mining deeper underground where diamonds are located. It's a very hard task, adds Jeff Clune, a computer scientist from the University of British Columbia who has worked on similar AI training initiatives. He acknowledges that this achievement represents a major milestone in AI research. Dreamer distinguishes itself from previous AI systems by employing a trial-and-error method known as reinforcement learning. Unlike earlier attempts that relied heavily on human gameplay videos or direct guidance, Dreamer autonomously explores the game and refines its strategies based on the outcomes of its actions. This self-sufficient learning process is a hallmark of advanced AI development, paving the way for systems that can operate independently in unfamiliar contexts. At the core of Dreamer's success is its ability to create a world model, a conceptual framework that allows the AI to simulate potential future scenarios based on its current environment. This not only enhances decision-making capabilities but also reduces the computational resources required for real-time processing. Hafner likens this to human cognitive abilities, where abstract thinking enables individuals to predict outcomes and navigate complex situations without needing to physically execute every possible action. Interestingly, the Diamond Collection Challenge was not initially a focus for the Dreamer team. Instead, it emerged as an ideal test case to evaluate the system's adaptability and proficiency in tackling unforeseen tasks. This serendipitous discovery underscores the potential for AI systems to develop capabilities that extend beyond their original programming, hinting at a future where machines can learn and evolve in unpredictable environments. As AI researchers continue to explore the implications of these advancements, the promise of Dreamer extends beyond gaming. The potential applications in robotics and real-world problem-solving are immense, where the costs of trial and error are significantly higher than in virtual environments. Hafner believes that the principles demonstrated by Dreamer could eventually inform the development of robots capable of complex interactions in everyday scenarios. While this breakthrough represents a significant stride towards achieving AGI, it also raises questions about the broader ramifications of such technology. Experts in the field are divided on the timeline and implications of AGI development, with concerns ranging from ethical considerations to the potential risks of misalignment between AI systems and human values. As the dialogue around AI safety and regulation continues to evolve, the achievements of programs like Dreamer will undoubtedly influence future research directions and public discourse on the role of AI in society. Looking ahead, the implications of Dreamer's success in Minecraft could herald a new era in artificial intelligence, one where machines not only learn from structured data but also adaptively navigate the complexities of the real world. As researchers delve deeper into the capabilities of AI, the landscape of technology and its integration into daily life will undoubtedly continue to transform, offering both exciting possibilities and significant challenges that will require careful consideration and proactive management.